Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can cut music in CapCut app. So if you just install the CapCut and don't forget to create your account first to enjoy all the features. And also if you want to join Pro, please do it because there is a lot of Pro feature that maybe can enhance your video. So let's try to open the projects that you want to add music. So for example, this one, you can tap add audio first. You can tap sounds. Here you can choose the music from the library, or you can link to TikTok account and from your folder, for example, from your device. And let's tap this one, for example, the lo-fi vibes. Here you can drag from the start. So if you want to cut your music, just cut part of your music. It's very easy. Just tap on the music, not the video. Again, tap the music, or tap the sounds bar, and tap on split, and then tap again split in here. Tap the splitted audio and delete the part. Now there is no sound in here. If you want to adjust it, if you want to merge, just drag the bar and done. Let's do it again. Tap the part that you want to split, this one, and tap again the part of that you want to split, this one for example, and delete. Now this is the part of music that already split. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.